guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing my very first unboxing video with you. The lovely Amanda from Your Creative Studio reached out to me and asked if I would like to receive one of their vintage themed monthly subscription boxes, and I said yes. So I have marked this video as an ad, as I was sent this box for free in exchange for sharing the contents of it on my YouTube channel. However, I do just want to mention that all of my opinions are my own. I've only been asked to do the unboxing, so let's see what is inside. So opening the box, it looks like there is a business card and it tells me this is the April subscription box, and it also tells me the theme. It looks like it's a garden themed box. On the opposite side, there is this pretty quote. Okay, so let's take a little look. Okay, so I'm going to move all over to one side. First up, we have a wooden stamp, and this is the Your Creative Studio exclusive. And it's this pretty wheelbarrow filled with lots of flowers. That's really cute. Next is another wooden stamp. This one was already slightly open. And this one is a flower jug, again filled with some flowers. And that's really nice as well. We also have some more stamps. These are clear stamps and you will need an acrylic block to adhere them to. So these are all gardening themed. So we have some words, a hat, a watering can, some gloves, and then lots of different tools. And it even says on the back that you just peel the stamps from the backing and stick them to an acrylic block. If you don't have an acrylic block, you can just use some sort of other hard surface. So a back of a CD case would work really well, or you can try it with your hand only. Some people do find that you get a better impression, so you can just try it out and see what you like best. Next is this pretty floral washi tape, and it's 5 meters in length. I'm going to take it out of the wrapper, so just bear with me. Okay, so I have had massive issues trying to find the end of this one, so I'm just going to give you a bit of a look without the plastic on it. It may take me a little while to find the end, and you can cut these and use them individually rather than just one strip if you like. So there we go. Next are some more stickers. These are in the shape of postage stamps. So there's just some pretty floral plants and flowers. And these all have a vintage theme to them. So if you love junk journaling, these will be perfect. So you do get quite a lot of them. It looks like you get 46 pieces in here. Next are these stickers, and these are clear stickers, and these are really, really pretty. I love those. Next is another sheet of stickers. This is by Your Creative Studio, and again lots of garden themed stickers. So some welly boots, tools, a hat, a little gnome is really, really cute, and a spade, hat and gloves. Next is an ephemera pack, and I can already see that there are some dried flowers inside. There are 30 pieces in this pack. Look at this. It looks like baby's breath. It's really, really lovely. There's also stickers. Some pressed flower stickers. And then these feel like little bits of paper. So these are like little journaling cards and labels. So that's a really cute ephemera pack. Next is a little paper ephemera pack, and these are die cut pieces. There's a cute little snail. So there's some spades, some watering cans, and these are quite thick and sturdy. Some welly boots, some little buckets of flowers. Oh, and it's a little gnome. Oh, so cute. And there's a wheelbarrow as well. So just lots of lovely, pretty pieces. Next up is some sticky notes, and these have a cute watering can on them. And I can see myself using these in my journal just to do a little annotating on. Next up is some more paper bits and pieces. Oh, so it looks like some pieces are vellum. So that's really nice. So there's some paper with some watering cans on them, some pretty floral pieces, a wheelbarrow, some tools, and it looks like you get 2 of each design as well. And there's a little gnome, snail, some roses, some other garden bits and pieces, and then it looks like you get lots of vellum pieces as well in the same sort of designs. Yeah, so there's the gnome one. And I really like that it's really thin as well. And last up is this, and I think this is a napkin. Now let's go to open it. Oh, okay, I need to cut it. No, I don't. I found the end. Okay, so it's tissue paper. That is really, really nice. And it's super, super thin. I have ideas of what I'd like to do with this. I think I would like to decoupage it on some music paper envelopes. I think that would look really, really nice. And it looks like you get 5 sheets of that as well. I like that. So that was all of the items in the April subscription box. I really hope you enjoyed seeing what was inside. I will leave their website down in the description box for you. You are able to purchase a one-off box, or you can subscribe for longer. You can also purchase some of the items individually. Let me know down in the comments if you've heard of this brand before, or if you've bought any of their products. I would love to know. I hope you're all doing really well. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.